Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your device isn't part of the Netflix household for this account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So the methods I'm going to show you, I'm going to apply them on my computer, but this works exactly the same on your mobile device or your iPad. Basically, there might be a small issue with your IP address. So first of all, we're going to make sure that we don't have any VPNs on. So if you go to settings and then from settings you go to network and internet, then you might see right here a small option on the left side that says VPN, and you're going to make sure that any VPN that is currently on is fully turned off, and any third-party VPN that you might have on your computer is also fully turned off. Then as well, while you are inside the app, if it says like you can't access, then keep it open, and then from here you're going to just simply make sure to disable the Wi-Fi, fully disconnect. Once you fully disconnect, and then try to refresh it by holding Control R in it, or just try for that, it's going to then reload but says there's no connection. And then while you're on the app inside of it, just reconnect back to the Wi-Fi, and then from here, once you reconnect while you're still running the app, then it should work just as nicely. And this can work both the same way for computer and for your Android device or iOS device. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.